everybody, it's Keeping Up with BB. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to watch another video. And if you're new, I'm BB. I do fashion, beauty, and lifestyle videos. And today I'm bringing you a fashion video, and it's about a bag that I just picked up on eBay actually. And I only decided to do this video because I have another video on my channel. It was my first one like it. It was a Gucci unboxing, and people really seem to like that video, so I was like, okay, well, people like these kind of videos, let me try another one. And this one is a little bit different because it's a vintage item, and I got it off of eBay. And I know a lot of people are kind of like wary about buying things on eBay, but this is probably my, I believe now my third, no, this is actually my fourth vintage designer purchase from eBay. I have a very, very small collection, but this is the newest addition to my collection. And maybe after you guys see this, maybe you want to see the rest of my collection, just let me know, because I can make a video of my vintage designer bag collection and just give you tips and tricks on how to find these bags, how to buy them, where to shop, how to find trusted sellers, authenticating and stuff like that. So nevertheless, let's get into this bag because that's what you're here for. So this is my bag. It came in, well, this is the packaging that it came in. It came through DHL, and it came from Tokyo, I believe. Well, Japan, I know for sure. I'm not exactly sure the city, but I will put the seller that I got this from on eBay. They're a trusted seller, and I've actually bought something from them before, a Louis Vuitton item. So I knew that, you know, they were okay to buy from again because I had purchased from them before. I knew that they were legit, and I will leave their information in the description box. So this is how the item comes packaged, and if you can already see, or you're going to see in the thumbnail anyways, that this is a vintage Dior clutch. And if you didn't know, which I'm sure you know, especially if you're watching this video, that Dior relaunched this pattern. Well, this is called the Trotter pattern. And they have relaunched the saddlebag and a lot of bags that have the similar pattern to this, but they're calling it the oblique. I believe it's the same pattern or very similar. They just changed the name, I guess, because this one right here was specifically called the Trotter palette. So let me just get into this. It's packaged really, really well. Very impressed with the packaging. So, I'm so excited. This is what it looks like, and I'm just now opening this, so I wanted to do a live unboxing. Wow, I really like it. It's in such good condition. It is used because it is vintage, obviously. I think this is from the 80s to 90s in there. I have very, like, I was gonna say minimal, but there's literally no wear on this bag. You guys, look at this. That's crazy. Like, okay, let's see what the inside looks like. And the zipper does have the CD for Christian Dior. You can see that there. Let's get into this clutch and see what the inside is looking like. The zipper was a little hard to open, and the inside is lined with leather. Wow, immaculate condition, you guys. Look at that. Look at the inside of that. And this does have the Christian Dior made in France right there for authentication. And this clutch is in such good condition. It's in better condition than I thought it was in, than for what I could tell online. It has no smell, like no old vintage smell at all. Because I did get a vintage Louis Vuitton Speedy 25. That was like, no, was that my first? I can't remember if that was my first or second vintage designer purchase from eBay. But my Louis Vuitton had a very, very strong kind of like old storage smell to it. This has no smell at all. So I'm just gonna pick it up and, well, actually, let's see what fits in this baby right here. This thing is in. I'm so happy with this. Like, I'm so happy with this. My Dior right here is not even dirty, or, I mean, not dirty, what's the word? Yeah, dirty, or I guess tarnished. I'm gonna just clean it with some barkeeper's friend just to shine it up a little bit, but it looks really good, you guys. And I got this bag for $129. And I think that that is awesome compared to how much the Dior saddlebags are. I mean, obviously it's not a saddlebag, but this print is back, and this print is so expensive now that they've relaunched it. If you guys go on the Dior site, you'll see how much their bags are selling for that have this print on it. And this print is becoming very, very popular again. And I've actually been wanting one of these for like 2 years now, but I just could not find the one that spoke to me, or the one that looked like it was in the best condition for the best price. And I finally came across this one, and I had to snatch it up really, really quick. So let's see what fits in here. The first thing I have always are my keys. And this is actually a vintage, well, I don't know if it's vintage now, but this was the collaboration with Louis Vuitton with Murakami, and this is the key clay, and I put my keys on it. It's really what I do, and I put my keys inside of this for when it goes into my bags, because I don't want my keys to damage my bags. And I zip it up, and then if I'm just running in the store real quick, I'll just put my card in here or some cash in here so I don't have to take my purse. So it's really handy. It's in immaculate condition. I actually paid more for this than I paid for this, which is crazy, but I love it just as equally. And I get a lot of use out of it. And so I'm going to put that in there. That's what that looks like. Let's get my bag. This is the, ooh, I'm currently using my Gucci mini camera bag, I believe is what they call it. So this is my card holder. I couldn't find this when I filmed my Gucci video. I was talking about how I couldn't find my card holder, but I found it. And this is a Vivienne Westwood card holder that I also got off of eBay pre-loved for like $25. So come on, guys. Don't pay full price for this designer stuff when you can get some really cool, gently used, vintage designer stuff. So I always have a lip product with me. This is the NYX Lingerie in Cabaret Show, and I actually got this in my Allure Beauty box. I had never tried these, and I really love this, so let's drop that in there. My chapstick, this is just a Carmex Comfort Care Natural in the Oatmeal Plum. Smells really good, pretty nourishing. And this is my Bite Agave Lip Mask. I'll use either this or this. This is for when my lips are like really, really dry. I'll use that one. And this is my, it's just an Origins compact mirror. I always have that with me. I always have my AirPods with me. My contacts. I actually have my contacts in right now. I need to put them in here when I get done with this video. And, oh, what else do I have in here? That's it. So that's normally what I carry with me on a daily basis, and I have room for much more. I could probably fit my glasses case in here, but I don't have that with me. Let's just use the glasses for now and just place them in there gently so we can just see, you know, that they fit. So put those in there. And that's normally all I carry with me on a daily basis, and I still have tons of room in here. So let's zip this up and see how it looks. Oh, the zipper is actually not that bad once I kind of like get it going and moving and stuff, because I'm sure this hasn't been used for a while. So, I love it. It's so cute. Let me back up some. So this is what it looks like. I love this. I love this. I love this clutch, you guys. Wow, I'm so happy with this purchase. Hopefully I'll get a lot of use out of it. This thing is immaculate. I still can't believe the condition that I got this bag in, because a lot of the ones that I've seen, and I've been searching for a while now, they're not in this great of condition, especially the inside. Wow. And it does not even dirty, I guess. I might try cleaning it a little bit just to see, I guess, what the true color is, because I'm not sure if this is as clean as it can be. On the outside, at least, on the canvas. But I'm so happy with this, you guys. I just wanted to share this little unboxing with you. And if you guys like videos like this, I can keep doing them because I don't plan on stopping my my vintage hunt anytime soon. I'm having too much fun with it, saving tons of money, and just loving what I'm finding. I'm falling more and more in love with the vintage designer things, and I look forward to expanding my collection. I'm so excited about this. I'm so excited to use it. Be on the lookout on my Instagram. I'm gonna put my Instagram below so you can follow me, because I'll be posting pictures, hopefully using this, I guess, if I get some good pictures. And I will also put the eBay seller that I got this from in my description bar, and a couple others that I've shopped from before. And if you like videos like this, let me know. I'll keep them coming. And I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. This is Keeping Up with BB, and I'll catch you next time.